It's dinner time at the home of Indra Bista in Nepal. A tasty curry, like they've cooked here for generations. But there's something new and revolutionary about the way she's heating her meal. Indra's using a new sort of charcoal briquette rather than a smoky open wood fire. The new technology has changed the entire family's life. She says there's no smoke because it burns very slowly. It means we can go out and do our work, and because there's no smoke, the children can study inside as well. It makes it very easy for us, she says. The charcoal briquettes are made by the villagers, a technique that's spreading across Asia, thanks to support from the United Nations Development Programme. But what's unique here is what they're using to make the charcoal. Rather than cutting down trees, the women of the village are using a voracious weed that's become a pest here. It's non-indigenous, and by picking it, the women are actually helping other forest plants to recover. Eupadorium adeniforum is the Latin name for this plant. In Nepali, they call it the forest killer, and as the name would suggest, it smothers every other plant on the hillside. Now, no one knows for sure how this got here, but they think it may have arrived in consignments of wheat from Mexico. But now what used to be a weed here in Nepal has suddenly become a valuable resource. Once gathered, the weed is burnt in a pit to make charcoal. It's this charcoal that's used to make the briquettes. The charcoal is ground down, mixed with a little water and dirt, and then squeezed into a mould. Once dry, it burns cleanly and efficiently. It can be used for cooking and heating. It means the villagers are no longer cutting down trees, but also it spawned a whole new cottage industry of briquette production.
Right now there are more than 50-60 community who are making the briquettes in a production level all over the Nepal.
Here in the village of Bishanku Nararan, it means these forests are suddenly coming back to life after years of decline caused by villagers cutting down trees. The local forestry expert says deer, pheasants, monkeys and even leopards have all come back to the woods since they stopped cutting the trees down. For Indra Bista and her friends, making fuel out of weeds has been life-changing. Their coughs caused by fire smoke have gone, they say their children are healthy and the forests are recovering. If the idea catches on, it could profoundly change Nepal for the better. Dan Rivers, CNN, Bishanku Nararan, Nepal.